I've got it. I've hacked Apple. And on this hard drive, it might not look like it. It may say Samsung on it, but I can assure you this unlocks iPhone pre-orders. So if this video gets 25 million likes, I'll settle for 23. I will make iPhone pre-orders go live early, but until then, the code rests on this hard drive. Hey, what's up, guys? Sam here. The new iPhone 12 Mini and Max, guys. The Mini and the Max. They go live in a few hours. You're probably watching this early in the morning or right before pre-orders go live. I did one for the iPhone 12 and told you which color, specification, models of the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro I got, and I want to do it again because this might help you make a last-minute decision, or you're just curious. You know, what is he going to get for his iPhone? So these two phones, in a lot of regards, are complete opposites, right? The iPhone 12 mini is a 5.4-inch display, tiny little device, the lowest and cheapest iPhone 12 you can buy. The Pro Max is going to break the bank at $1,100, more premium materials, and of course, a gigantic 6.7-inch display. So I want to walk through, like I did in my last video, which iPhones I'm getting and why, color, specification, and I want to hear which ones you guys are getting, if you're getting one at all, down below. Maybe you're waiting a year. That's cool. The iPhone 11, still a great phone. And don't feel like you got to upgrade. Okay, I want to start off with the iPhone 12 lineup. I have selected here the iPhone 12 mini. I don't want to get the iPhone 12. I want to do the iPhone 12 mini. So color-wise, I would not recommend blue. I have it in person. I don't think it looks very good. This blue to me looks really cheap. It just looks too dark, and maybe this is like your favorite color and you're into this. Personally, I don't like blue on the standard iPhone 12, so I am not making that mistake again on the mini. I am really stuck between a couple, but I am heavily leaning towards green. I think the green's wallpaper is sick. I like the light color. I think a safe bet would just be black or white. The black looks, I don't know, a bit odd. I think, ooh, do I do white? Hold on, I might have just made a split-second decision. You know what? I have white on the iPhone 11. But you know what? No. I'm sticking to my roots. You guys, this feels like a live video. It's pre-recorded. No, I'm going to do a green because, I don't know, the new green color seems pretty cool. All right, this is where it gets a little tricky, right? Because the pricing differs upon who you buy this through. So if you buy it through any carrier, at least inside of the United States, you're getting it for $700. Now you might say, oh, you have Verizon, Sam, so you're going to just order through Verizon to save bucks? No, because Verizon charges you money to get a new phone. So I will actually pay Apple the extra money just so that Verizon doesn't have to get one extra penny out of my pocket. I am also this close to switching away from Verizon. If there's any carrier out there that wants to sponsor a transition video, hit me up. That would be pretty cool. So I'm doing SIM free. And then storage wise, I'm going to get 64 gigs just because I don't plan on this becoming my main. Oh, maybe I should do 120. No. Okay. I'd say if this is going to be the only phone that you're going to get, I would recommend jumping up to 128 gigabytes. But if this is like a secondary device or a work phone or something, I'd say 64. I don't think you need genuinely that much space. And then I don't have anything to trade in. So I'm going to do a one-time payment. Okay, this is a quick bit that I actually think is super, super important because I didn't cover it in my last video, and that's that you shouldn't buy AppleCare. I know that when you buy a new phone, you want it to be taken care of and you want to be okay if it breaks, but AppleCare costs $150 up front, and there's still a very expensive premium associated with you whenever you try to upgrade through Apple. Like, even after you buy AppleCare, you still have to pay extra money on top of it to get a fixed screen. In a lot of cases, it's cheaper if you don't get AppleCare. So this is something that I never buy. Now, I'm also someone who doesn't break my phone repeatedly. If you're breaking your phone like constantly, then maybe AppleCare is worth it. But like genuinely, and then the theft and lost, dude, don't. That's just extra money. I don't recommend AppleCare. I think it's not a scam because it works. I just don't think it's a good deal. And I think it is essentially a waste of money in a lot of cases. Just a quick PSA, hope it helps you out. I don't subscribe to AppleCare and I have a great time every year. So green 64, SIM-free iPhone 12 mini. And then I am also going to be picking up the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And there is one reason I have any interest in this phone. Listen, if you guys watch the channel, if you know me, I don't like big phones. I have never been a big phone guy. Like, the 6.1-inch iPhone 12 series is like as comfortable as I'm going. Like this honestly is a little bit big for me, which is why I'm really excited for the Mini. But let's say you like big phones. You want what I want, which is the new camera system. The camera system seems to be significantly better on the Pro Max than on any other phone. And I mean, I have to try it out. I have to try the Pro Max. I mean, I do video for a living. Come on, cut me some slack. For the Pro Max in color, I already have Pacific Blue, and I know that this phone looks great. Listen, graphite and even silver look nice as well. The gold, though, looks even crazier. Okay, I am very excited to see gold in person. I don't think I have seen. I know I have not seen gold in person on the new iPhones, but the pictures are stunning, and even the edges, potentially could be a little bit more resistant than the other iPhone colors, just by the chemical properties of how Apple has, for lack of better terms, anodized it, or the word for covering it and making it look really nice. Again, I'm going to do SIM free here just because I don't want Verizon to charge me money to upgrade. Definitely do SIM free if you're on a lot of these carriers, because they will charge you $40 to upgrade when you can just switch the SIM that you have already for free. That's my pro tip. And then capacity, I'm going to do minimum here. I accidentally ordered the 256 gigabyte Pro after I said I wasn't. And I mean, I have used like no storage on it. So I think 128 is fine. 512 is just nuts. All right. I don't know a person that needs 512 gigabytes on their phone, but maybe you're somebody who does, and you can pay $1,400 if you do. Okay. Again, not trading anything. That'd be fun. Wait, can I trade in the iPhone 12? I would actually see. I can't trade in my iPhone 12 to get the 12 Pro Max. This is ridiculous, Apple. How am I supposed to afford this phone? Okay. Yeah, I'm not trade anything in. One-time payment. Although the Apple Card payments are a pretty good deal. I believe they are 0 interest. Yeah, honestly, might be smart to pay separately if you have the Apple Card. I'd recommend spreading your money out like that. And again, no Apple Care. $1,100 one time, baby. What's in the box? Oh, wow, I'm lucky I get the phone this year. But now, of course, it's going to be like, which one am I going to choose? Which one am I going to use more? It is unequivocally, as you probably got hints from, the iPhone 12 mini. Listen, I'm excited for the camera system on the Pro, and maybe it convinces me to switch. Maybe the camera system on the Pro with the wider aperture and higher quality capture in some cases, like maybe this will convince me to switch to the Pro Max. It's just, it seems really big, and I know it's not for me. Might be for you, not for me. The 12 mini though, man, it just seems so portable, so lightweight, so tiny. I have been a huge proponent of small phones. In an era where everybody was saying that's stupid, don't do that. Listen, I'm pushing for the small guy, the small fry. Vote Sam 20, let's just say like 2040, 42, 2044, I don't know. 2044 we'll say. But yeah, even though the camera system I'm hyped for on the Max, I don't really care about any other part of that phone. I have the 12 Pro and that's been my daily driver. I am excited for the Mini. I'm ready for this phone, and I mean, honestly, can't wait to see it. All right, I want to hear what you're pre-ordering down below if you're pre-ordering anything. Honestly, a lot of you probably got the iPhone 12 or 12 Pro already. This is the weird second round pre-order thing for the two most interesting new phones out this year. So let me know what you got. Hit me up on Twitter. Were you successful? Did they sell out quickly? Apparently, Apple is having parts delays for iPhones because there's just a shortage. And, we're going to see how that plays out with these and pre-order dates shipping. I have a feeling very quickly, or slipping very quickly, I should say. All right, hope you guys enjoyed it. Drop a like if you did. Hit subscribe for more. Stay safe out there. And I will see you all in my next video. And go back to bed because it's really early in the morning right now. And I'm just happy I pre-recorded this, guys. I'm sound asleep right now. And this is me saying thank you to my future self.